Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan. Today we are checking out the Fastrack Reflex Play and the Fastrack Reflex Play Plus. Now both of these watches are new watches from Fastrack that are smartwatches, and while the Fastrack Play is already available on Amazon, we'll have links in the description below. The Play Plus, a newer version of the watch, is launching on 26th of August, and we'll also have links to that in the description below. While the price difference between both of these watches is only 1,000 rupees, the Fastrack Play Plus does support Bluetooth calling, so if that's a feature that you've been looking for in smartwatches, it has finally come to the Fastrack Play Plus. Now, with respect to size and design, both of these watches are actually quite well matched. And you do have some different color options available for both these watches. And inside the box, you do get an included strap, which does have a quick release mechanism. So you can swap it out with different colored straps, or you can buy your own straps and fit them on the watch. The watch does support that out of the box. Now, both of these watches are IP68 rated, and they do have a 1.3-inch AMOLED screen on the front. The user interface is much faster than what we've seen in the past. The touch response is also fantastic, which makes the overall usage experience of these watches really good. Now, you do have the ability to connect with the Fastrack Reflex World app and monitor all the data that these watches have been collecting, and you can also turn on and off features from the app as well. The app does allow you to monitor things like your heart rate, your sleep, as well as turn on and off reminders for certain things like drinking water every hour. All of those features are available in the app. But both of these watches also have blood pressure monitoring this time around. A feature that a lot of people have been asking for is finally available on both the Fastrack Play and the Play Plus, as well as other monitoring features like SpO2 monitoring, as well as heart rate. And you do have upwards of 25 fitness modes that you can track with both these watches as well. Now, like I said, the Fastrack Play Plus is the more premium one, and it does support Bluetooth calling. And you will notice that certain elements of the build quality of the Play Plus are also a little more premium, and the overall look of the Play Plus is slightly better according to me. From the app, you can also add and install custom watch faces apart from the several watch faces that are already available. And both these watches now also feature animated watch faces. These watches can also control things on your phone like music, and also act as a camera shutter button. So if you want to place your phone somewhere and click a picture, you can do that with both of these watches. The Play Plus also does have AI voice assistant features. So if you do have Siri or Google Assistant on your phone that you use frequently, you can enable that from the Play Plus as well. And like I said, the Play Plus does support Bluetooth calling, and it does have a built-in microphone as well as a speaker, which is actually pretty responsive. And the speaker is placed on the left of the watch face and is fairly loud, so you can make and receive phone calls without any issues. So just make sure you're not in a very loud environment. Now, apart from the custom watch faces, the newer watch faces also have some tracking capabilities, so you can have your tracking information directly on the watch faces. And like I said, the new user interface has a circular dial that makes it a lot more easier to navigate through. And you do have some additional built-in features like games that will help you pass some time if you're sitting idle and looking at your smartwatch. Now, both the Fastrack Play and Play Plus bring about a lot of features and don't really cost that much as well. If you guys are interested in checking out these watches, we'll have links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video or have any specific questions about these watches, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll try and answer those out for you. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.